ready to drop $1,200 on a phone. Google's Pixel 10 Pro XL might just hit that jaw-dropping price tag, and it's got everyone talking. Is this the ultimate Pixel upgrade or a wallet-busting misstep? Stick around because we're breaking down the leaks, the hype, and what it means for you. What's up, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. The Google Pixel 10 series is heating up the rumor mill. Word on the street, or rather leaks, say that the Pixel 10 Pro XL could launch at $1,200. That's a $100 jump from the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Let's unpack this pricey bombshell and see what Google's cooking. So, why $1,200? The Pixel 10 Pro XL is shaping up to be Google's biggest, baddest flagship yet. Leaks hint at a 6.8-inch Super Actua display, think bright, smooth, and stunning, paired with the new Tensor G5 chip built on a 3nm TSMC process. That's serious power for AI tricks and gaming. Cameras, expect the same 50MP main and 48MP ultra-wide or telephoto combo, but with a souped-up image processor for sharper shots. Oh, and 16GB of RAM plus up to 1TB of storage. This thing's a beast. But here's the catch. The Pixel 9 Pro XL launched at $1,099, and posts on X are already screaming about this $100 hike. For context, the iPhone 16 Pro Max sits at $1,199, so Google's stepping into premium territory and maybe risking a showdown with Apple and Samsung's $1,299 Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now let's talk value. At $1,200, the Pixel 10 Pro XL better deliver. The Tensor G5 could finally fix those pesky heat issues from the G4, and Android 16, dropping in June, might ship day one, loaded with next-level AI like an upgraded Gemini assistant. Think real-time photo magic and smarter voice commands. But here's the flip side. The base Pixel 10's rumored to stay at $799 and a Pixel 10 Pro at $999. So why shell out an extra $200 for the XL? Bigger screen, sure, but leaks say no major design shakeup. Same flat edges and camera bar. Posts on X are split. Some fans say it's a steal for the specs, others call it a cash grab. Compared to the Pixel 9 Pro XL's $200 discount on Amazon right now, $1,200 feels steep. Unless Google's hiding some killer exclusive features. Alright, your turn. If you're snagging the Pixel 10 Pro XL at $1,200, what's your must-have feature? Insane zoom for epic shots? A battery that lasts all weekend? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this price rumors got you hyped or horrified, hit that like button to let us know where you stand. Team Pixel or nah? That's the scoop on the Pixel 10 Pro XL's $1,200 rumor. Launch is expected in August, so we'll know soon if Google's going big or going broke.